5 ways to crush your affiliate marketing goals. In this video, I'm going to reveal a 5-step process that pretty much anybody can follow in order to do this. But if you're new to the channel, my name's Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing so you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. And this is a process that I've used personally to generate over 10K per month with my affiliate marketing business, making sales like this and making sales like this repeatedly over and over again. So step number 1 is to just simply put a plan in place. There's an old saying that by failing to plan that you're actually planning to fail. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have a 12-month plan in place and you know exactly what you're meant to be executing on every single day in order to do this. I can guarantee you that the person that actually has a plan in place is going to excel way faster than the person that's just performing random acts of marketing. So make sure you got a plan in place, stick to that plan for 12 months and watch the results that will come from that. And step number 2 is to pick a high ticket product to sell. I see far too many people starting off with low ticket products because they think that it's going to be easier to sell. I can tell you that when I was closing for a lady called Star Cod, I was selling a $9,800 coaching program, which is much easier for me to sell than some of the $100 programs that I've sold in the past. And obviously, if you're selling something high ticket, you're going to be getting paid higher commissions for doing that. So I recommend going for the private affiliate programs, either going onto ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or Share a Sell. Step number 3 is to pick one platform to focus on. I see far too many people trying to be on, over here, trying to be on Facebook, trying to be on Instagram, trying to be on TikTok, trying to be on YouTube, trying to be on all of these different platforms at once. And it's great, it's all good and well watching all of these, 6-figure, 7-figure entrepreneurs doing this, but these people have huge teams in place in order to help them do that. Okay, so you want to pick one platform and focus on that one platform for a period of 12 months for that to work for you. And step number 4 is to commit to mastery. So you want to be basically focusing on failing fast, failing forward, because at the end of the day, if you're going to master any of these platforms, you are going to be running into issues along the way. So failing fast is going to be a good thing as long as that you're learning from your mistakes, correcting them, and then going again. And step number 5 is to hire a mentor. I've got Srini over here who was online for over 10 years going in the wrong direction because he refused to hire a mentor. Once he did hire help, he managed to start making commissions consistently for his affiliate marketing business. You've got people like Dave King over here who was online for over 14 years trying all of these different business models, trying to figure everything out on his own. And again, he wasn't making really any money until he started working with me. So if any of you are looking for, a step-by-step process, you are looking for help to really start, grow, or scale your affiliate marketing business, I do recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training that I've put together on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing.